India from Holiday Extras, and I'm currently in Dubai. I'm joined by Arva from Frying Pan Adventures, and Arva is here to teach me some Arabic. So thanks very much.
It's my pleasure.
So Arabic in Dubai. Now let me get this straight. There's lots of different dialects.
There are, yes. Sometimes it sounds like different languages altogether. A very simple word like chicken, which in classic Arabic would be dajaj.
Right.
In Egypt, you would say dagag, and in the local Emirati or Khaliji dialect, you would say diai. So they sound totally different. Even a simple word like I want means different things. I mean, it can be said in different ways. So I'll try to give you the one that most people understand.
Okay, cool. And you've lived in Dubai for how long?
I've lived here for most of my adult and my entire childhood life.
Okay, cool. So, you've got a good broad sense of all the different dialects.
Exactly. I mean, the good thing is most people do speak English, so don't worry. Even if you mess up, you can always revert back to English. People will usually understand.
Okay, but it's always good to know the basics, isn't it? So, I think the best place to start is with hello.
Really easy. Hello is Ahlan.
Ahlan.
Ahlan. Yes.
Okay, Ahlan. And then goodbye?
You can say ma salama.
Okay, ma salama. Okay, cool. How about counting from 1 to 5?
Okay, so 1 is wahid.
Wahid.
Itnain is 2.
Itnain.
Thalatha.
Thalatha.
Arva.
Arba.
Khamsa.
Khamsa. Okay.
There you go, you're an expert.
Let's have a think about another one. How about, can I have the bill, please?
Sure. So the word for bill is hesab. And please, you can say min fadlik or law samhath. So I would say el hesab law samhath.
El hesab law
samhath.
Samhath.
Yeah,
okay,
exactly.
Cool.
And it's just the intonation which makes it sound like a question. Because if I gave it to you, I'd just say el hesab.
Okay.
You know, and here you're asking me, so el hesab law samhath, and that means may I have the bill, please?
Bill. How about thank you?
Shukran. Shuk like you shook somebody and then you run away. Shukran.
Shukran. Okay, that's an easy one.
That's an easy one. Exactly.
And actually, that's probably the most important one.
That is,
isn't it? Because that's the one that's sort of
exactly
shows that you're being polite.
And I'll tell you one that you hear a lot across the different cultures here. You'll hear the word Insh'allah a lot. Insh'allah is a word which just means if God wills. And people use it, they append it to everything. So for example, if you ask for a meeting, people will say, okay, let's meet at 5 o'clock, Insh'Allah. You know? It doesn't mean that, you know, we're actually, I mean, everything is in the hands of God, but it's something that's become part of the common lingo.
It's like a gentle phrase to put on at the end of every phrase.
Exactly. If God wills. We leave it to God's grace.
Oh,
you know?
Okay. Cool. Brilliant. I think that's a really nice amount to sort of start with.
That's a good start off.
Definitely.
And I wish you luck on your journey with Arabic.
Oh, well, thank you. What do I say again?
Shukran.
Shukran.
Afwan.
Shukran.
Afwan.